Welcome to the Government e-Marketplace. In this training video, we will help buyers to create a bid for insurance services on the GEM portal. Insurance service is divided into 8 subcategories: Group Life, Group Mediclaim, Group Personal Accident, Overseas Travel and Mediclaim, Motor Insurance, Marine and Transit, Liability and Asset Insurance Services. Basics framework for procurement of insurance services. Quantity to be defined. Buyer needs to indicate the number of people or assets to be insured. Bidders will need to enter the total premium amount against specification selected. Buyers can also specify a format in which the breakup of this premium in the bid process. Mode of selection: QCBS, LCS, L1 and RA option has been enabled. LCS is least cost selection method, wherein a fail or pass criteria can be set, prescribing only the minimum qualifying benchmark. Mode of purchase: this service will be available for bid purpose only, not for direct purchase. Let's walk you through the step-by-step process to create a bid. Please enter the official website of GEM, www.gem.gov.in. Now click on Login and enter your credentials to sign in. Click on Market and then select Services. Enter the type of service required, which is available in the drop-down menu. As an example, select Group Mediclaim Insurance Service. Buyer can enter the tentative contract start date, end date. The buyer has to enter the insurance start date and end date. Here, it is to be noted that insurance start date shall always be after contract start date and insurance end date shall always be before contract end date. Click on Service Level Agreements and Packages for Special Terms and Conditions (STC) and Service Level Agreement (SLAs) specified by GEM for buyers and service providers. These will automatically be included as part of the bid and contract. Any additional SLA and deductions can be mentioned in Additional Terms and Conditions (ATC) while creating the bid. Click on Select Location to update consignee details. Buyer can select the state and enter the estimated number of people to be insured. Then click on OK to continue. Buyers can specify their requirements against each specification from the list of filters. Buyer can select the type of people being insured, coverage, family member dependents to be covered, co-payment percentage, top-up cover to be provided, premium payment option, etc. as per need. Tool tips for detailed explanation of the filters is provided. Buyers may tick on Other option and write their custom input in case matching specifications are not found. Buyer can also specify the names of insurance companies that are eligible to participate in a bid. If an insurance contract is to be renewed, the buyer may select only the specific insurance service provider in this list when creating the bid. The renewal of any insurance service contract will essentially be a new insurance contract. After selecting the specifications, a list of service providers whose uploaded catalog matches the specifications selected by the buyer will be displayed just for reference. Buyer can select any matching offerings to proceed and add to cart. Please note that other insurance services can be selected and added to same bid by selecting Add to Exist Cart at this point. Buyer can click on Proceed to Checkout when all required services have been included in the cart. As an example, on this screen, Group Mediclaim and Group Personal Accident Insurance has been added to same bid. Bidders will get to enter total premium against each of this set. On the checkout screen, click on Bid to create bid. A pop-up will appear. Click on Confirm to continue. Any additional data required, like details of employees, price breakup, etc., can be uploaded during bid. Steps ahead are similar to bid creation module. Buyers may skip if they are familiar with the process. Next step, on the respective services to review the specifications. Click on Save for each offering and proceed. If the text of each service turns green, means it has been saved. Buyer can enter details for the service and then click on Save to proceed. Next step, buyer can enter all the required details as per their bid requirement. Buyer can enter the contract duration as per their requirement. Further, at this point, buyer can upload additional data like details of employees. Guidance has been provided for buyers so that relevant information can be uploaded while creating the bid. At the next step, buyer may opt for QCBS or LCS based evaluation. Else, evaluation will be on L1 basis. Click on Continue to move further. Buyer can select if EMD or EPBG is required. EPBG is allowed only if bid value is greater than 5 lakhs, though not mandatory. As an example, here, No has been selected for both EMD and EPBG, but the respective buyer may edit this as per their requirement and compliance to relevant circulars. Next, to define buyer-specific T&Cs, buyer can click on Buyer Added Bid Specific ATC and define or upload their bid-specific ATCs. After adding ATC details, click on Submit to continue. Buyer has to agree to the GTC of GEM to continue. Finally, buyer can download the bid document from here and select the relevant option to verify and publish the bid. Thank you.